off like a ball, you know. This is the Ugly Truth Podcast and I'm your host, Pillow Talk. So here we go on, we're going to talk about Jashii. New interview him just drop him break silence pan what go on with the kingship or some face. I mean I tell you say yo, you know say dancehall is a corrupt thing though. You know say not once in that interview that man once mentioned Kartel name. But just to show you what go on. The man not once mentioned Kartel name for say alright. Honor the reason why and this him must say a lot of nothing if you understand what I mean. Because you are going now. The man I talk about everything that happen at some face expect the crowning a cartel. So what you try to say, brother? Brother, you know what you do. But me tell you something. You see, what I notice in the dancehall music and them young artists here, them I think that the alcohol, the drinking, the bag of drinking what them are doing with man. Every interview I'm watching Jashii, you see once him drink, just no say. Be a buck go on. But you see once him not drink, you see, yo, the interview, the man so calm, bro. Like me can't understand it. But you see once him drink and under him vibes a problem, bro. So he left me to say, yo, him just speak him truth. So why try to cover up what you say, no, or try to take back what you say. Cause you take it back under style, you know, but you not take it back. You see a whole lot of nothing, brother. You see that you have this cartel or you not this cartel. Don't try to get bashing feet now you are trying to take back your thought. No, brother. Stand tall with it. Guns blazing. Why you gotta take back your thought, you know? Nah, man, stand tall with it, man, and run out, man. Don't follow Masicka. Just make your talk so stand on it, brother. You can't take back your thought now, you see the fans them beat you. A liquor mash up your career, you know. I can tell you that, you know. Liquor drinking, mash up your career, wreck it. But my people, just check out the video right now.
So you said DJ, me don't know what kind of boot that you have on, but them the bad like your shoes lace. Them say crown I put out or crown I go. So what did you mean by that? Just to clear.
Yeah, so Masicka deserve a crown, man, for my generation, you see me? But if you get a youth a king to you know, you have to know that too, you see me? So I don't like say, yo, way. As me I say, I dip on the stage from Masicka start perform till the end. And everything I just hit, you see me? So me just I say, yo, you're a king in a you.
Yeah.
Don't make them feel like say I'm a king in a you. Wicked.
Yeah. Was there a reason why you said that? Something that happened there?
No, me not talk about nothing but way. Me I talk to Masicka, man, and make him know say, yo, you see me? I just my realness, that I just my way. I give my flowers, that, you see me?
Exclusive people. So now y'all know what it is. Nicole Uncut.
Yo, some people say they know say Bolt I go get back his money tomorrow. According to the Gleaner. You have to tell you, say, yo, Jamaica a sample place still, you know that? Yo, it's a sample place, bro, may I tell you. Look how long the man a fight to get it back in full. See? But through election 1 week away, you know, so when I try to say, alright, you don't want to have a body on the side. Yo, Jamaica government a sample, and Jones say need to do better still, you know. And all, you know. Yo, Jano. So, for all who don't know, Bolt did lose him money in investment. You see me? Where like SSL company name. I mean, I tell you, say, yo, do I feel it that time, yo, when the thing come out, me I say, yo, Jano, for a man like Bolt, the ambassador for Jamaica can lose film food like that. I think a couple billion Jamaican dollar. I think don't quote on it, I don't remember about 4 or 5. Follow back on the story, but Jano, yo, and for the now the government are going to give him back his money now, 1 week before the election. Tell me how that look. And she take out fee money before everything crash. Just to show you, say, yo, them know what I go. See me? Some people in the comment section on TikTok say, yo, nah man, they'll get back your money long time, but them just keep it quiet, time now say nothing. But me not buy that story there. The man been vocal about his money, you see me? So I feel like it's a case where they might try to get back people on them side, because I remember saying from year start, Andrew do a lot. You see me? Andrew do a lot, so me have to say, yo, no, sir. But at the end of the day, I feel them things still. The government of Jamaica, me can tell you youth, whether PMP or Labour, right, the whole of corruption, so. At the end of the day, Jamaican people just picking up ice here, man. I don't know which one. Alright, my peeps, Alkaline, Fleek, hit 100 million views on YouTube. Dropped 10 years ago. May 27 to be exact, 2015. Yo, it's a massive deal. Right now, the Vendetta fans about like, you know, the numbers, me I tell you. But they celebrate like nothing. You see, True Royal, a producer, yeah man, the man they campaigned from last night, Jungle Boss, you know, if you ask about that. Yeah man, but it's a good look man for dancehall, same way, cause at least people still are streaming 2015 or 10 years ago and people still love the music. Yeah man, it's a good look man. So, we have to big up Alkaline Panda one day. Fleek, all who don't know it, I think I want Alkaline be a song to you know.
Love your everything, me love your everything. You give me reason if you sing, me love your everything. Your smile is everything.
Alright my peeps, so next on the report we have Jeffrey and his wife, fiance, girlfriend, whatever you want to call it. Can travel start by the trolling again cause them got dig up and sniff on themselves, sir. They got whisper her name and make she hear so. So she post 450 new song. The 450 of this Jeffrey I say yo we make kiss kicky like, you know what I mean? Free. So she say her favorite song, sir. Her best song. She played about 100 times already. So right now Jeffrey go dig up at the answers for himself. I don't know why. If him say he get like trouble and she get trouble and she do this and she do that. Why every time you mention her name in a podcast so you do, brother? You look like you are the troublemaker now, no? I think that can again, you know. You are a trouble girl, you know. You are a provoker, is a troublemaker, man. And you never did have a whisper, call, whatever you do and call her name, make sure run out so by you and your lady today. See me? So, check out the video, my peeps.
Who they get? Me no kiss pussy like free. She take every inch and she don't feel. Love it when you're hiding it.
Alright, I will continue as follow. 450 on the topic again, you know. Yeah man, the man have fans are drop down, man. The man have fans are drop down for you, but Michael Jackson settings. Yeah man. So I don't quite sure which part of the performance was. He might have meet and greet too. Go on a kiss off for himself. 450 just kinda juggling face a little bit. I'm a style thing, but you don't know where her mouth come from, so I'm not wrong him. You can't want to put your mouth by anybody where you see. So another good style at female. Another good style at woman. I not like. Not a good style. Don't ever practice that. No time at all anywhere you go. There just put your mouth by a man where you see. None of that. No do that. No do that style. It's not a good habit. See me? But 450 that play bad. The band does take a picture that go through. Making money with the meet and greet and go through. Yeah man, I see how man turn over upon her back, man. Yo, the dog a live lavish life and Michael Jackson settings, you know.
I was the first one. Okay.
I took 5.
One.
Alright, next on the report my paper. I don't know if I may see it, you know, but I see Rebel do a routine for Intense. I know like when you say, oh, how this a crisis X that takes me for. When this a crisis X that call me for your favor. You just do a thing. Me know Rebel better than that. Rebel just do something. Me nah see she a put no effort in it, me not normally see she do. Rebel, you're wicked, you know. Yo, you know, say Rebel are wicked. Rebel just say, alright, it's a crisis boy call me, you know. Whenever pay food or that, but just give her straight. Career, you see me? He career need help right now, so she say, yo, me I give the straight. But brother, me don't know what that Rebel just calm and collective and just do what she do. I mean I say, yeah man, he come It come like it just put a little tool in and say, yo, boy, that video you know, we know. She just do a thing. But no rebel body on that. Rebel are bad dancer. So I know say that. I know what she want to do. She just a force it. Me know rebel, you know. I see her, you know. Every time she put out a routine, I have to take her and say, hey, girl, you're bad enough. Yeah, man, but I tell you right now, I don't know what I like she say, yo, but I help out across his side. Go outside. I even know what she do for you, I want. I didn't have a vibe to it. But it's like she say, now you some time on this across his side. I owe him. When me did want the strength, he not give me. You know, hype up himself and he hot. And go on it himself. And diss me. Or whatever happened between the two of them. Everything turn up you know in need of strength. Brother. Intence next time don't link your ex, link a next. Okay? Alright, well people, that's it for the podcast today. See what I say? So we have a few things to address later on. So we drop the video later on. You see me I say, but like, share, comment, subscribe as usual, you know what I mean? Get your thing active, man, because you don't know. I'm your host, Pillow Talk, and this is the Ugly Truth Podcast.
Brace one cock it up time and break it off. Bump of the heavy, find space apart. Do you like a officer face against the wall? Oh, Jesus, oh Lord.